Welcome to Color World! Today we learn brown. Let's go! Look, a bear! A fluffy brown bear. The bear is brown. Brown! Brown! Bear! Fluffy brown bear. Look! Yummy brown chocolate! The chocolate is brown. Brown! Brown! Chocolate! Yummy brown chocolate. Look! A tree trunk. A bumpy brown tree trunk. The tree trunk is brown. Brown, brown. Brown, brown.
Tree trunk. Bumpy brown tree trunk.
Look! A puppy! A cute brown puppy! The puppy is brown. 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 Puppy! Cute brown puppy. Look! A cake! A yummy brown cake! The cake is brown. Brown! 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 Cake! Yummy brown cake! Look! A coconut! A hairy brown coconut! The coconut is brown, 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 brown. Coconut! Hairy brown coconut. Brown, brown, what do you see? I see a bear looking at me. Brown, brown, what do you see? I see a puppy smiling at me. Brown, brown, what do you see? I see chocolate dancing with me. Brown, brown, everywhere. Brown is the color we share. Brown! Which one is brown? The bear! Great job! Which one is brown? The chocolate! Great job! Which one is brown? The pup! Great job! You found all the brown! Amazing job! Great job today!
You learned brown.
Goodbye, brown friends! See you next time!